Hello, I'm Mr. Paul. Welcome to Mr. Paul's Pantry. Now my recipe today is a very simple one. In fact, I think it's the simplest recipe I've ever made in my life. Because of that, it's going to be a very short video as well. It's making homemade ice cream, but the twist is it only uses 2 ingredients. You don't need any special mixers or freezers or anything like that. Ice cream makers. All you need is a whisk. It can be either a balloon whisk by hand, or it can be a handheld electric mixer or a stand mixer, and a freezer to put it in afterwards. That's the only thing, and the 2 ingredients are something that you may already have in the house. So we're going to make my very easy homemade ice cream with just 2 ingredients. Let's do it! So here we have just the 2 ingredients for this homemade ice cream. We have the double cream, or whipping cream, heavy cream, whatever you want to call it, and some condensed milk. Please note this is not evaporated milk. It's thick, sweetened, condensed milk. Those are the only 2 things. If you want, you can add a little vanilla essence or extract. I'm not going to do that today because it's not something I really enjoy. I'm just going to have the 2 ingredients and make a very nice plain homemade ice cream. So we're going to add the cream, and I'm going to whisk that with a hand whisk today. You can use a stand mixer, you can use a balloon whisk if you wish. I'm using my hand mixer today. Excuse the noise. And we need to beat this until it comes to soft peaks. And it's almost there. What we don't need to do is get it very stiff, otherwise we start getting the cream to separate. Now, as you can see, it's almost there, just little soft peaks. I don't want it too stiffer than that. I'm going to now add the condensed milk. This is 1 tin and it's just shy of 400 grams. It's 397 grams. So now we'll mix the 2 we'll now mix the 2 together until they're nice, thick and creamy. Thick and creamy. Now what we need to do is to move that into a plastic airtight box ready for the freezer. So we'll pop that in here. Again, using our silicone spatula, which is actually invaluable in the kitchen. It makes sure you get every scrap out of the bowl. The only downside is if there's any children in the house, it prevents them licking the bowl. There's nothing left. So this goes now into the freezer for about 8 hours. And here we have the finished product. It's been in the freezer now for just about 8 hours. And I think you'll agree that really is a lovely ice cream. Well, there we have it. It's a very simple recipe using the 2 ingredients. I didn't add anything else. You can add vanilla essence to it. You can add chocolate, you can add coffee, you can add fresh fruits of any kind, shape or form. It makes no difference. You can colour some pink, you can colour some green, you can make rainbow ice cream. It doesn't make any difference. All you need are those 2 ingredients, and the rest is limited only by your imagination. So if you've enjoyed the video, go below, give it a thumbs up for me, and if you have any comments, leave them underneath. If you haven't subscribed, then do so please. Press the subscribe button, and when you do so, at the side you'll see a little bell icon. If you press that, you will be informed every time I put a new video up, and you won't miss one at all. So it's Mr. Paul saying bye for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.